Alright, hello everybody. So this morning, it sounds like other teachers have been having this problem throughout the week, and it just hit our class today. So if you have been signing in from your personal Google account, that's the problem, and Google is sending out new pushes, not BCPS, and BCPS is assuming that you are following what they had said to do. So Ms. Roberts decided with the teachers, like if the links were working, you guys were happy with the links, we got it, everybody good, let's keep it going. But now the link is the issue. Alright, so how do we solve that? So if you have to go to Google Chrome, you must use a Google browser because a Google Meets is the same platform. Oh, cool. Then I go here is my account, but if I go up to the top, can add another person, and I hope Jasmine does not mind. I'm going to borrow her. This is going to be, name will be Jasmine. You're going to be a panda bear. I'm going to add, so you add your own child, and then each day, yes, you would have to log out of your Google account and log into your child's. So let's see. Sign in, get started. I don't know, just keep it moving here. But alright. Not signed in. Okay. Email or phone. So this would be Jasmine in our class at bcps.org. So this would be where you put your student name and whatever their username is at BCPS. Next, can't tell you our password. And log in.
Baba?
Yeah,
Baba.
go get Barbara. Create a profile. So if you were using your tablet or your home computer, I think my best suggestion is to add them. I don't really need Chrome as my default browser, but skip this. Great. So then when you are logged in as the child, see it says Jasmine, turn on sync. It kicked me out of Jasmine and put me as an avocado. But I want to be Jasmine. If you go, then I'm on Google Chrome, Bryson, no, I'm on Google Chrome, I'm using BCPS password. We go to this little tile thing. Excuse me one moment. There's a fancy word for this little tile. Google Meets is one of the options, so we log there, join a meeting, and every single day I put the meeting code the same, that way it's easy, just Judy's, but I don't have the meeting started, so it won't work right now. And you join, it should work. So tomorrow, if you try this at like 9:50, as you know, I log on at different times, like sometimes 9 o'clock, 9:30, and I send you the link as soon as I create it. So as soon as I'm on, you put in Just Judy's. I already have the class started, and it'll log you on, and that's kind of also why I've been playing those morning songs, so that everybody can log in as they need. If you want to troubleshoot this and try it out, just send me an email and we can set a time that I'll create Just Judy's and then you try to log in. Then after the class meeting, I want to log in as Laura again. And if you're working and here, you want to make sure it says sync is on, it's me, has my little avatar, I think Miss Quinan told me this is called here. That's how I know I'm logged back in. I asked what if you're using Internet Explorer or Firefox, and she said that it does work, but it doesn't work right. And just like what happened now is when they send more updates, they're assuming that you're using the Google Chrome browser. So you probably will have issues moving forward. I hope this is helpful. If you need any help, I'm here for you.